Hi there traders, this is Steve Miley, the market chartist on behalf of forextraders.com, and here we're going to take a look at both the euro and the pound versus the US dollar, the euro USD and pound USD cable spot FX rates. Both exhibiting a positive tone in here, slightly mixed intermediate term outlook, with the euro in here very much defined by this very erratic theme in here we've had all the way from November. Really the market kind of defined by a 112 to 115.70, 116 kind of range in here, all the way back into here. Actually, if you look to October, really between 112 and 116, this broader erratic range. In our last report, we highlighted downside risk in here. The market was selling off in our last report back on the 21st of January, and we highlighted risk to this 113.08 level. And if it broke down through there, the market would shift back to more of a neutral theme, having been more bullish previously on this push up to 115.70. And we certainly got that neutral theme in here. But the market then held above these important supports down in the 112.60 area, and then the market rebounding from here 112.88 last week. A strong recovery effort in here into the late part of January, reinforced yesterday on Wednesday when we had the Fed meeting. So a softer US dollar tone, a more negative tone after a slightly more dovish statement here from the Fed. So a negative US dollar tone helping the euro higher against the dollar in here, and within this range now we see is 115.70 to this 112.68.62 area. All the risk really to the upside. A real threat to challenge 115.70 and maybe a more bullish tone. Taking a look at the pound. The pound has been strong right the way through 2019, despite all everything that's going on regarding Brexit in here. The further we move away from a no-deal Brexit, the further we move away from a general election, the pound is liking both those scenarios, and we have continued to do that on the various developments we've had. A little bit of a wobble to the downside in here over the last week, but the market's surging up through various resistances in here back from November and December of last year, and that leaves an intermediate term bullish theme. Yes, we've had this little bit of a dip in here with some growing concerns that we may be moving back towards a potential no deal and threats from within the EU of that no deal scenario. But again, the market yesterday on Wednesday rebounding, more to do with US dollar weakness after the Fed, but nevertheless pointing the market higher, and the intermediate, short and intermediate term outlooks for the pound stay positive. This has been Steve Miley, market chartist for forextraders.com, and I wish you a great trading day.